Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Are you from India?
Yes,
Okay, okay. Your name is Sana Chowdhury.
yes.
Okay. Where are you from in India?
I'm from New Delhi. What do you do for living?
I am a student.
What is your program name?
My major is political science. A few months ago, I completed my graduation and now I have a job.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, you completed your graduation.
Yeah. I completed my graduation.
So, means what are you studying in political science? You tell me.
I have interested about this major, so I choose this
Okay.
yeah, political science is
You choose this for which thing you choose this? Political science. Like you told me you are a student. So what are you studying? Means you are studying in university. Like
I studying in university for a master's degree.
okay, you are
Yeah.
doing MBA.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and you are doing part-time job as well.
Not a part time. This is full time, but basically my study program is now part time for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why do you want to improve your English?
For make a friend, make a laugh, make a smile, make international friend, and I want to know about their country's history, country's culture, country's educational system, everything, etc. This is my reason.
Okay. How are old you?
I am 24.
You are very younger and you completed your bachelor's and now you are doing your MBA. That is very fantastic. And you are improving yourself in this age. The boys were doing smoking or these type of things, and you are improving yourself. That is very appreciating. I want to appreciate you. Very good. You are very good path.
Thank you. How about you?
What?
What about you?
I am 17 years old.
On 70 years old.
Yes, I told you. I think you are not. I was not audible, so that's why.
Okay. Chaudhary is your last name. This is a Muslim name in my country.
Yes, yes. This is. I am also Muslim.
Okay, I guess, but I can't speak.
The
I can't.
Chaudhary. Yes, yes. The Chaudhary is Hindu's surname. You think
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Yes, but the in our caste there is Chaudhary, but we are Muslim Jat and we are Muslim Chaudhary. There is
Okay.
two type of Chaudhary, Hindu and Muslims, and I am Muslim one. That's why I am wearing this.
You are a first Muslim in this platform for me.
What?
I faced before lots of Indian people. They all are Hindus.
They are all Hindus. Yes, I also met. I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Uh, I met all the boys. You also met all the boys, or you all met? What is your experience about this? You met mostly boys or mostly girls?
Both.
Both. But I never. I think I met a girl 15 or 16 days ago, and I use this app daily. And I don't know. I think girls don't want to improving self. I think about like that.
No. I am facing. I am conversation. I conversation with some Indian boys and girls. They all are Hindus. Not a single person Muslim. You are first person.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But basically, I faced some Indian people. They are very rude, and their behavior is not good.
Why?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know about it, but they not a
Okay.
polite person.
Means like what type of, yes, what type of behavior they are doing? Like, can you tell
No,
me?
no, they not use a friendly word. They not say good company. Etc.
Okay.
Yeah,
Ignore those people.
yeah, yeah.
This is the basic civic sense in India. I also feel ashamed then I say I am Indian.
No, no, this is not your guilty. Don't worry. Basically, these people are from Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and I know about this kind of people. But South Indian people are very good, very gentle, and Punjabi people are very good. And I meet some New Delhi's people, Mumbai's people. They are very good, very friendly. But Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Bihar. They are not good, not friendly people.
Yes, like yes, they are not friendly with me also. You are a foreigner and I am her origin
They
girl
have
and they are
a
not friendly with me.
they have a lots of allergy for Muslim people. This is reason. This is reason.
Yes, yes, this is the reason. Yes,
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
told this right thing. Very good. Thank you. Nice to meet you. I want to meet you